Welcome back to Railway Track Invisible Room. Dark and Mighty Mack. Manny, who lives at house in rooms and homes and floors and ceilings and wallpapers.
Room train. Battery power. Manny arrived at the new engine. His battery is died. What's going on? Said Manny. Get it done by yourself. I'm sorry, red engine is turned off, or do very little things for us. I am Rondo, he said. Feels good for the next over Manny. Manny is trackmaster. He's a number one, puffed Toby. But Toby was very too heavy. But the troublesome trucks are coupling, snap, and run away. Toby run quick, fasten, get a quick away from his danger signs. But Toby is still over a danger bedroom at is too close. Manny was feel free and he was chuffing away from me and he was wrong with Toby the cars. Toby is end of battery, said Manny, who is a good guy who is appreciate power, athlete of his general experience. Rondo is on a trouble. Then Manny is couple up his train and reverse slowly away to the junction when over Toby here is. Manny and Toby was in a over Matt at Fall Breakwood. Manny, said Toby. He sighed as he was felt great when his room. I don't need help. Manny was delighted with his pistons pumping flew in funnel coupled up to Rondo. Manny was throttle up with wheels. I can't move, puffed Manny. Get some battery power grunts. Manny is applied his throttle and couple up to fast then big heavy. Jimmy was shocked. Low score in a derailment inning is to be ready, said Jimmy. Manny and Rondo in derailment in sound of something else, Bobby said. Jimmy and Bobby have to go get a blur effect. Ba, B, and I like. Response, called Manny. Manny and Rondo was battery power in a packaging is here. I hope so, said Manny, her bends and puff. Oh, thank you are just trying for me to fuel, said Rondo. Of course Rondo, said Manny, he's never seen the one superpower player, so, but when another engine, he is a bashing into a tender. I'm going to duct take a fuel. Energizer is a sponsor when Manny arrives. When Toby speaks. Manny, cried Toby, we are not open, but he just not move. Up to 100 present longer lasting. Later, Manny is packing called Panasonic. He would never open. All batteries have open, and only one has finish at pack. Begun battery, said Toby. This is max charge of power next general. Manny was happy with his pistons. He was narrow gauge about his battery. Next, Manny arrived at the green engine duck. The batteries are low and need to be replaced, said Duck. Thank you, Duck, said Manny. Manny was happy. Duck and Manny watched the trains passing by the traffic junction, the hands playing in the trains. See you later, puffed Jimmy, and hauling load of cargo on the main line. Well, Arthur's coming, called Duck. Arthur pulled mail cars when Duck and Manny. Goodbye, Manny, puffed Duck, and steamed away from the room train.